At just 30 years old, Alexander the Great had conquered the known world. How did one young man achieve what empires took centuries to build? Born in Macedonia, he was tutored by Aristotle, absorbing knowledge that would shape his destiny. With a fierce ambition, he embarked on a campaign that would change history forever. His first major victory came at the Battle of Granicus. Against overwhelming odds, Alexander's tactical brilliance shone through. He led his men with unmatched courage, inspiring loyalty that would carry them through countless battles. Each victory fueled his desire for more, pushing him deeper into Persia, where he faced the legendary Darius III. But it wasn't just battles that defined him. Alexander was a master of strategy, using psychological warfare to outsmart his enemies. He embraced local customs, winning hearts and minds as he marched through Egypt, Babylon, and beyond. His vision of a united world was revolutionary. As his empire expanded, so did his legend. Yet questions lingered. What drove him? What was the cost of such ambition? Explore the life of this extraordinary leader and discover the secrets behind his meteoric rise. Don't miss out on this incredible journey.